This is the PKEY mini electric screwdriver. Let's open it up. USB-A to USB cable. Menu, here's the screwdriver. Oh, wow. Comes with a case. Alright, press here and you can get cool. Then in here has some tips for a screwdriver, H tips and flat and star tips. But yes, has more. Here are all the tips. This is for mini screws. This maybe regular size screws. You can charge it here, charge it here. Let's test it. Okay. We have to put the battery. Okay, to charge it you have to leave it here and then charge it over there. Okay. Look at that. It's cool. It's made on metal. This one. Alright, so it goes faster. This is for the speed. This. And it's lower. Yeah, so in here you drag this one front or backwards. This is to screw in or screw out. That's great. And it's made of metal. The thing is aluminum. It's cool. So this is the PKEY mini screwdriver. It's rechargeable. It comes with the cable, pouch bag. So I like it. Okay guys, and this is the next giveaway. We're gonna give away this camera that is over here. Rules are very simple. You have to be subscribed to the channel. You have to like any of the videos. You have to put a comment on any of these videos. And on Friday, we're gonna pick the winner. So good luck guys. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. God bless you and see you on the next video.